Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and once again I welcome you guys to my EOR video. EOR means Inquiry on Results. If you don't know what is EOR, let me tell you briefly. If you are not satisfied with your IELTS results and you want to go for an inquiry, for that you got to pay the fee which is equal to half IELTS test fee, and then you apply for inquiry on results, and then your IELTS test is remarked, and if there is any change in your result they return your amount, and if there isn't any change then your money is gone. So I have received 6 more cases of EOR, and in all 6 cases the band score has increased. Sometimes the result of EOR can be increment in the band score, or there can be some sort of decrease in the band score as well, but I've never heard of any EOR case where the band score actually decreased. Either it remains same or it increases. That is why whenever you apply EOR, apply on all 4 modules. Now you guys can see I have received 6 cases of EOR and 5 cases are in India. 5 cases were reported in India and 1 case is from Nepal. Now I'm going to tell you, and by the way guys, this video will help you if somehow in the future you are going to go for EOR. If you opt for EOR, this video will help you, and I tell you many students after watching my video on EOR, they applied for EOR and they were the genuine students and they got increment from half band to 1.5 band in their IELTS result as well. Now I'm going to share the story. Well, this first student is one of my students who is from India, and he said I got my TRF and 0.5 band is increased in speaking, and sometime that half band is the requirement. I mean that half band levels off everything for you and there you are, right? So he got the increment of half band in his IELTS speaking, and there it says the band score awarded for this module has changed from 5.5 to 6. Wow, that was on 22nd July 2019, and this test was conducted by British Council on 23rd of May. Let me tell you, within a month you can apply for EOR, and EOR result comes out within 3 to 4 weeks. Alright, thank you very much and congratulations to you. This is Pravir Patel. Okay, let's go on. The second case is also reported in India, and you'll be surprised to know this time EOR increased half band in speaking. What do they say? The band score awarded for this module, means speaking, changed from 5.5 to 6.5. Let me tell you, whenever you go for EOR, fee is same. Apply EOR on all 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, speaking. Never apply EOR only on one module. Apply EOR on all 4 modules, and then if there is any change, at least you'll get your money back. So this student is from Indian Punjab, and he got his result on 17th July 2019, and the test center was IDP education, right? Alright, now let's go on. The third case has been reported in India of EOR, and over here what did EOR do? Increased band score in 2 modules. For reading, the band score awarded for this module has remained unchanged. For writing, the band score awarded for this module has changed from 5.5 to 6. Gal ban gayi, means that's it, you're getting 5.5 but 6 is your requirement, and EOR fulfilled the requirement not only there in writing but also in speaking. The band score awarded for this module has changed from 5.5 to 6. Now the student who needs 6 band, for him this is like heaven, huh? Yes, exactly. Like a dream comes true. Well, the next one is again from India, and this time EOR actually worked. My student from India says Sat Sri Akal Sir ji, Sat Sri Akal ji, Thanu bhi Sat Sri Akal. After EOR he got 7.5 band. Now he's just told me about his friend, and after EOR he got very good bench score, and let me just tell you, you can see the TRF already. After TRF, this is the letter which they send, and then there is the result, and they say listening. The bench score awarded for this module has remained unchanged. They don't change the result. Speaking, the bench score awarded for this module changed from 6.5 to 7.5. See that now? The examiners, speaking is only checked by local examiners. Otherwise, your writing is checked by Cambridge examiners. It goes to Cambridge and it is checked there. Speaking is checked by local examiners, and this student got 6.5, and after EUR he got 7.5. He didn't apply EUR on writing. Otherwise, I think he could increase his bench score there as well. So that's why whenever you apply EUR, apply on all 4 modules blindly. Okay? Alright, and then there is another case of EUR where the student received this message. This is to advise that your remark request has been processed and there has been a change to your scores. When you receive this message, it means your bench score has increased in any 1 or 2 modules. Now what's the procedure? You apply for EUR, they just have the inquiry. If there is any change, they ask you to submit your original TRF, and against that they issue you a new TRF. Right? And if there is no change in the bench score, then they just tell you and inform you there is no change, and you can use your old TRF, and this is how it works. Okay, the last message is from Nepal about TRF, and this student got 5 band, half band increase. Now see that he was given 4.5 band in writing module. So he applied for EUR and he got 5 band. Now let me tell you guys, although 5 band is very what do you say, basic band, from 4.5 to 5, it doesn't sound something big. But if somebody's requirement is 5 band, for him it's everything. I mean, they gave him 4.5. Because of EUR, he got 5 band. And now, I mean, this is now, he can proceed with that. At least he doesn't have to reappear in IELTS test. So this is all about EUR, and if you also apply for EUR and there is any change in your bench score, my WhatsApp number is given. You should share that with me and I will share it with others. If you want to hide your name, your test center, your registration details, don't worry, I'll keep everything secret, but I'll just share the other things because this is going to motivate you. Now these students who are getting the increment, they are just like you. They are from you, and they just watched my videos and then they apply for EUR and they get the increment in their bench score, and now at least the one who is getting 6, he can go abroad. The one who needs 5 band and he got 4.5, after 5 band he can fulfill his dreams, and you can just do that. But for that it is very important that you are confident and apply EUR on all 4 modules. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Asad Yaqub, and I run another channel Asad Yaqub Vlogs. You can subscribe to that as well. If you see anything about IELTS, I am your voice. Please share that with me. Whether it is a cue card or it is EUR or any other thing, anything unusual, anything new, you must share that with me, because this channel Asad Yaqub is a platform. It's actually a hub of IELTS where people can get a lot of information. Thank you very much. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.